What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools in traders' arsenal takes about 10 seconds to draw, and you can do it right now on PU Prime's web trader for free? No indicators, no complex settings, just a line. Today I'm going to show you how to use it properly. Stay with me. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So I'm on PU Prime's web trader right now and I want to show you trend lines. One of the simplest tools on any chart and one of the most consistently useful things a beginner can learn to draw. A trend line is simply a straight line drawn across the highs and lows of a price move to show the direction the market is heading. In an uptrend, you draw the line beneath the higher lows. Price keeps bouncing off that line on its way up. In a downtrend, you draw the line above the lower highs. Price keeps rejecting from that line on its way down. The power of a trend line is that it gives you a dynamic level of support or resistance that moves with the market rather than sitting fixed at one price. When price touches a trend line and respects it, that's a potential entry point in the direction of the trend. When price breaks through a trend line convincingly, that's a signal the trend may be changing. Trend lines are not magic. They work because thousands of traders are watching the same lines and reacting at the same levels, which creates a self-fulfilling element to price movement that makes them consistently reliable. So for this example, you can see that price is coming down, you get a few touches, and then the trend line breaks, which shows you might be getting a shift somewhere else, but you can't really draw a trend line here, so it continues down a little bit more, right? You can see here again, 1, 2, then price breaks up. So price is then now in an uptrend, and you can see how you can just draw these lines. And then eventually this line breaks, price starts moving down. And it's just a really easy way to understand which way the market is actually heading, right? Price respects the trend lines until it goes the other way. And again, you can see here, if you draw the lines out, price is respecting, you're in the uptrend. Obviously you can trade the bounces as well. You can get down on the lower time frames and enter off these areas. And then again, price breaks it. Now this is quite an aggressive one, so it's hard to draw a trend line there. If I was to do one, I'd probably put it there, right? Price starts pushing up. Again, you can draw a trend line here. What happens? Price then breaks through, we come up, we start pushing down. And again, if you just draw the line out, boom, there, you can see that you have your trend line. So understanding the direction of the market just becomes a little bit easier when you start putting the trend lines on, right? Another thing that you can do with these trend lines is put price in a bit of a channel, right? You can use these trend lines to go, okay, boom, you've got a channel there and you've got a channel here. And you can kind of see how price is just ranging between these areas before it pushes down. As soon as that area breaks, boom, you've got that going on. Again, draw the channel if you want, right? Price is in that channel, breaks up, we push up, draw the line here. You can draw a line here. What do you have? You have the channel where price is bouncing between the two. So not only can you use trend lines to understand the way in which the market is moving, is it going up, is it going down, you can also draw the channels out to understand the bounces of the price, right? Price tends to stay bouncing between these areas. So you start getting an idea that, okay, cool, price comes here, but we're in a downtrend, so a sell's probably better. We start pushing up, we hit the trend line, we start pushing down, boom, off you go. So you start to get an idea of how to trade the market just by using a simple line tool.
If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, Trade with a plan. Try thesignaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video.
Right, so let me tell you about something I think is perfectly timed given what's going on in the world right now. The World Cup is on. The biggest sporting event on the planet is happening as you watch this, and PU Prime are right in the middle of it. PU Prime are an official regional sponsor of the Argentine Football Association. That is Messi's national team, the reigning world champions, and off the back of that partnership they've launched the PU World Cup 2026 campaign, which is a full interactive promotion running alongside the entire tournament. It's not a gimmick, it's a properly built campaign with real prizes and real ways to get involved daily. Here's exactly how it works. You earn coins through your trading activity and deposits on PU Prime. The more you trade, the more coins you build up, and those coins are your entry point into everything the campaign offers. There are 3 cool ways to compete. The Match Day Predictor. You call individual game results throughout the tournament and earn rewards for correct predictions. The Top Trio Predictor. You predict which 3 teams finished at the top of the World Cup. Get all 3 right and you collect the maximum prize. And the Daily Free Kick. 1 free spin per day with additional spins available by hitting trading volume milestones. Every single day the football is on, you have a reason to be active on the platform. Now, the prizes. The headline is a 300 million coin community pool with $50,000 behind it. Every trader on PU Prime during the campaign contributes to hitting that target and sharing in the reward. Beyond that, there's a lucky draw featuring an iPhone 17 Pro Max, a MacBook Air, and $500 cash. The daily spin prizes include signed AFA jerseys, authentic signed merchandise from the Argentine Football Association, the same association as the World Champions, which are limited and genuinely valuable items. Alongside those, you can win deposit rebate coupons, profit booster coupons that return your returns on winning trades, and loss protection coupons that cushion losing ones. Every single prize in this campaign either has financial value or practical trading value. Nothing is filler. The campaign is live right now and you have the full remainder of the tournament to get involved. It's all inside the PU Prime All Client portal. Already a client? Get in there today. Not on PU Prime yet? Link is in the description, and right now is genuinely the best time to join. You'll be on the top tier platform and competing for some serious prizes while the best football in the world is playing out in the background. Get on it. Trend lines. Simple, visual, and more powerful than most people give them credit for. Head over to PU Prime using the link in the description and start drawing these on your own charts today. And don't sleep on their World Cup 2026 promotion. There's a $50,000 prize pool, signed Messi jerseys, and a lot more all running right now. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.